Now, Channel 3 early warning weather.
Hi everybody, good morning. Meteorologist Lauren Richardson here. It's going to be a really nice day to be outside once again today, but we are tracking some rain as we head towards tomorrow. So let's take a quick look at that. Our early warning futurecast. This is a look at some rain estimates that we're predicting for tomorrow into Tuesday morning. We could see anywhere from 1/4 of an inch of rain to 1 inch, and widespread throughout the state. So today, anywhere from 60 to 67 degrees, not quite as warm as yesterday, partly sunny, but a fantastic day to be outside for any fall activities. Tonight, temperatures bottoming out in the 40s, once again, partly cloudy skies, and then into tomorrow, you can actually see some clouds as well, but into today, we're going to be seeing some partly cloudy conditions, and then into tomorrow morning, a warm front will bring us some more moisture, some more cloud cover into the afternoon, maybe a couple sprinkles, and then here comes that steadier, heavier rainfall in the evening. So you can see around 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock, and this should continue through the late evening hours and possibly, as mentioned, into Tuesday morning. Let's check in on that 7-day forecast. It's a little bit of a roller coaster. We start off today in the mid-60s. You can see that dip down in temperatures all the way into Wednesday. Tuesday is going to be a nice day once that rain passes through. Temperatures in the upper 50s, the mid-50s along the shoreline, and then Wednesday in the mid-50s, our chilliest day of the work week, and you can see breezy conditions as well. Then Thursday we start to warm up a little bit. Friday, much better with some sunshine, and then by Saturday in the mid to upper 60s in some spots. Have a great day out there.